Daki. If you're returning, thank you for your support. Yo, I know it's been a while. Like, it's such a day. I want to unbox my swag pack from OfferZen. Okay, let me start with what I got from work. I got this UPS. It charges the router, as in its cable. So one of them goes to the router, and it goes to that small thing in a fiber cable. And you is andizazi buttons and don't shame. And this is the actual UPS. By the way, the t-shirt I'm wearing, it's also from work. I do not know once I feel njani. Okay, let's zoom it in. Yeah, ineza numbers ndingazaziyo uba ziminisha ntoni. 12V, I think it's 12 volts or whatever. Esebenzisa lento, it must not consume more than 12 volts. That is a charging port, and that one, it goes to the router, same as that one. And I charge my phone. I actually need a cable is zinjeyana. So this is back to OfferZen. I've gotten this a box from OfferZen, so as you can see, I'm actually unboxing it in front of you guys. I also do not know what's inside. Let's see what's there.